Hi, my name's David. Today we're going to do a free CodeCamp tutorial, add placeholder text to a text field. So in the previous lesson, we learned about the input tag. And when we look at it here, and in the code it's here, it's empty. But we can put a placeholder, so there's going to be text on here, and people will know, we'll have a text on there so people will know what this text is for. So what happens is that you just put this placeholder equals whatever you want it to say. So in this example, you want to set the placeholder value of your text input to cat photo URL. So here, you'll get the input, and then it can go before or after the type. It doesn't matter. You just put the text type. Type equals, and placeholder equals, and put in parentheses, and then we just copy this. And we can see that it is like lightly faded, and it's inside that text box. So that's it. Thank you.